In collaboration with Karbi Anglong District Boro Sahitya Sabha and Karbi Lamet Amai invite us to recite Karbi Boro Women Writers Meet here. So today's program is very much benefited not for the Boro women, for Karbi women also, because we also, no doubt, our language was not part of this there, but uh, the Boro Sahitya Sabha was giving us an opportunity. So in this way, we will acknowledge them, and also in the future endeavor also we want to develop our literature, and with the help of the Boro Sahitya Sabha maybe in future. And we also thank the two esteemed members, Sadhana Madam and Joystree Madam. They are coming from Kokrajhar, and because of them, we already given this application to 2 years before in Guwahati. They call us, and Madam is busy or some other, because Karan Brahmo sir is died recently. Huh? And, from us, Sahitya Academy from Kolkata sir is also there, and we also give one application to sir to promote our Karbi language, to give a platform on this regard. We also given one application to sir, and we are very optimistic, and we are very happy to be a part of this organization, this event today. Thank you for giving us this opportunity, especially the Boro Sahitya Sabha, and also we are very thankful to Karbi Lameramai also. Together we can create history, no doubt, and we need each other support, and with each other support only we can go ahead. So this is my belief. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.